Alright, what's up, Bimmer Forums? This is Turner. I got an M3, 98 M3, all black. It's got a Vortex supercharger in there, installed by Denon. But I have no clue what happened. I was taking it out for a test ride the other night after I bought it, and I don't know what happened. I got into fourth gear and everything just shut off. It sounded like it was on a heavy cams after I started it up again. Then I restarted it up and went down the street a couple more times, and it all just went to shit. It doesn't even sound like a car anymore. It doesn't even want to start up. But I got home. I was able to get it home. If you don't give it gas, it'll just die. But I replaced the coils, and I haven't checked the spark plugs yet, but I checked the oil. There wasn't any signs of metal in there that I know of. But let me plug this back in. I replaced this and that, and my fuel rail seems a little bit loose. I don't know if the fuel injectors have been upgraded. That's my possibility, that whoever installed this didn't upgrade the fuel injectors, and whenever it was trying to shoot out too much fuel, it blew up one of the injectors. I have no clue. But in my opinion, it sounds like it either has a vacuum leak or it's not getting enough fuel to the engine, because I have to constantly put my foot on the accelerator in order to keep it running, or else it'll die. But this is me just clutching in and trying to start it. You're gonna see it's gonna want to start and nothing's gonna happen. You see? Alright, now this is me giving it a little bit of gas just to keep the RPMs up. Alright, so y'all can tell me what y'all think is going on, because I really want to get this baby back on the roads clean as heck. Sounds like it smells like it's running rich as heck right now. I got the mass airflow sensor plugged in, so it shouldn't be running rich. Straight piped. Got the straight pipe from the cat's back. It's got the Denon supercharger. Everything's installed correctly. I've reinstalled it myself, and it ran for a good week, and then all this happened. So y'all tell me what y'all think I should do. I will check back up with y'all on the forums, but I'll be posting this to Bimmer Forums and wherever else. So thank you guys.